Hello everyone, my name is Choo Teng, and I'll be presenting my submission entitled Model of Sustainable Workspace for Architecture Firms in Malaysia. Looking back on the evolutions of office history, we have the traditional office where a large area is partitioned with permanent walls to form individual offices, to the contemporary development of virtual office adapting to the dynamic work environments. Government, authorities, civil societies and businesses have taken actions ever since the inception of the Sustainable Development Goals. The challenges of this study lies in the limited research addressing sustainable workspace specifically tailored for architecture offices. The problem statement of this research is that although there are several studies that analyze the benefits of sustainable workspace in general, but there are only a few papers that discuss the benefits of sustainable workspace on architecture firms. Awareness within the architecture community about the positive impact of sustainability on reputations and exposure is lacking as well. The aim of this research is to develop the sustainability model of workspace design in response to the shifting work dynamics for architecture firms in Malaysia. The objective is to determine the benefits of sustainable workspace for architecture firms in Malaysia. The significance of this research is to align with the global sustainability objective, including the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Next, to minimize environmental footprint through thoughtful sustainable design frameworks for workspaces. To emphasize the importance and benefits of sustainable workspace in talent retention in Malaysia, as well as to promote sustainable workspace for a more environmentally conscious future. By referring to the table, it has indicated the benefits of sustainable workspaces, and there are 20 scholars that has been referred. After reviewing all the articles, the benefits of sustainable workspace can be categorized into 3 categories, which are environmental, social, and economy. Each group has its own sub-benefits and frequency. In terms of environmental, the sub-benefits are reduced carbon footprint, conserve nature resources. And in terms of social, the sub-benefits are the health and well-being of the occupants, inclusive workspace, as well as collaboration and innovations. And in terms of economy, the sub-benefits are cost and investment, talent retention, and brand reputation. The research methodology of this study, starting with the introductions of research topic, identify problem statement, establish research aim and research objective, followed by literature review, pilot study, questionnaire survey, as well as interview. Next, we have data analysis, develop and validate the model. The scope and potential user of this research is the management level of architecture firms, directors, architects, and also small and medium-sized architecture firms. There are no current model to assess sustainable workspace across all architecture firms in Malaysia. The only available models are for generic workspaces that focus on knowledge-based work. As per shown on screen, this is a model of the sustainable workspace for architecture firms in Malaysia. The benefits and sub-benefits that we presented just now acting as the factors in this model of sustainable workspace for architecture firms in Malaysia. So in conclusion, architecture firm is to set up sustainable workspace according to this model. By implementing the model of sustainable workspace, the architecture firms in Malaysia will eventually influence on the environmental, society and economy in Malaysia. The model of sustainable workspace acts as a holistic approach for small and medium-sized architecture firms to set up their workspaces. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.